Hey, it's Emily, and today I got a package in the mail. So in this video we're going to be unboxing it. You already read the title, so you already know it's an Ikea clothes rack, which I'm super excited about because I've been wanting one for the longest time, and I finally decided at like 1 in the morning that I have an extra $10 to spare. Why not just buy it? Because it was literally $10, and then with shipping it ended up being like $16, which is so cheap. So I just had to get it. And so today we're just going to be unboxing it and then putting it together and then filling it up with clothes. I'm also going to be showing different variations of clothes that you can put on it to make it more decorative and cute. And then I think at the end of the video I'm also going to plan out some outfits for the rest of the week on the rack so that it has a purpose and so that the video isn't like 5 minutes long. So anyways, let's get to unboxing. Long, top, bottom, in between. Put one of the pieces to the other piece, but they don't tell us which ones. Oh, Sparky, come here. Oh, good girl. I gotta put clothes on it. It's not gonna fill it. I'm put all my clothes on here and it's not gonna fill it. I don't have enough clothes. Okay, so a few days ago I went to Ikea and I ended up picking up a bunch of hangers to go on my also Ikea clothes rack. So I have a bunch of black hangers that I keep in my closet, and that's what I was putting all the other clothes on the rack with. But I really wanted some wooden hangers to be like the statement piece because I feel like they'd make the rack look so much better. So I bought 4 packs of wooden hangers. So these are them. It was like less than $5 for a pack, and I bought 4 packs. Each pack has 8 hangers, so I think I have 36 hangers. Just kidding, I have 32 hangers. I was getting a little ahead of myself. We have 32 hangers. And so now I'm going to unpackage them. And then I think I'm going to plan outfits for the week so that I have something to put on them, and then that's the video. So let's unpackage these hangers. So now they're all unpackaged and I think they look so beautiful. I love the little white and wood effect. I liked how my black hangers saved space, but these ones, even though they're a little bigger than the black hangers, they're so much prettier. And I don't plan on keeping like a ton of clothes on this rack, so it's fine that the hangers are a little bigger. And then I'll keep the black hangers in my closet because we need to pack some clothes in there. So now I'm gonna go through and try and figure out what I'm gonna wear for the rest of the week and then put them on these hangers. So let's do that real quick. Okay, so I kind of gave up on planning outfits because that was taking too long. So I decided instead I'm going to just bring out all of my winter cold weather clothes and put them on the rack. So then I can just pick between those because it is cold. This is the cold weather season. So I figured it'd be a great idea to just put all my cold weather clothing on the rack. So we're gonna do that instead. Okay, so here's my clothing rack all complete. I do have about 11 hangers left, but I have a bunch of clothes in the laundry that I'll add to them later, and I just went to Goodwill and got a few things as well. So I love how the rack turned out behind me. I like the uniform look that they all have long sleeves. So that's kind of fun. I also love the wooden hangers. They kind of brighten up the space more than the black hangers did, so that's really great. And the clothes slip onto them so much easier than the black ones did because they were like a non-slip material. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my Ikea clothes rack and filling it up. Definitely come back next Monday to see more fashion or like unboxing related videos because I post fashion, skincare, and makeup and other things like that. I also post every Monday, so subscribe to see more content every Monday. You can subscribe by clicking the button below or by clicking the button on the corner of the screen if you're using a computer. Comment of the week, what's your favorite type of clothing? Like, do you like dresses or like sweaters or sweatshirts a lot? I don't know. What's your favorite type of clothing? Anyways, I will of course see y'all next Monday, so bye!